Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write an affidavit for vehicle ownership. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this document, and when would you need one? Well, an affidavit for vehicle ownership is a legal statement where someone declares that they are the rightful owner of a vehicle. This is usually required in situations where there might be a missing title, a need for registration, or a legal claim over a car. If you're ever in a situation where you need to prove that a vehicle legally belongs to you, this affidavit will be extremely useful. And since it's a legal document, it needs to be written clearly, formally, and with accurate details. So, let's go step by step through a well-written example, breaking it down so you understand exactly what to include and why. Let's get started. Step 1. The heading, identifying the document. At the very top of the document, you'll need to include the title and jurisdiction information. Here's how it looks. Affidavit for vehicle ownership. State of California, County of Los Angeles. This part is crucial because it clearly states the type of document. An affidavit for vehicle ownership. The state and county where the affidavit is being issued. Since this is a legal statement, the jurisdiction matters because laws vary from state to state. If you're writing this document for yourself, always make sure to include the correct location where the affidavit will be notarized. Step 2. The date, when the affidavit is issued. Next, we add the date the affidavit is being written and signed. Date, February 3, 2025. A date is important in any legal document because it confirms when the statement was made. If you're writing your own affidavit, always include the correct current date. Step 3. The declarant's information, who is making the statement. Now, we introduce the person who is making the affidavit. In this case, it's I, John A. Peterson, residing at 3425 Maplewood Drive, Los Angeles, California, 90017, solemnly affirm under oath that I am the lawful owner of the following vehicle. Let's break this down. The phrase I, full name, clearly states who is making the declaration. The address is included to confirm the person's legal residence. The phrase solemnly affirm under oath makes it clear that this is a legally binding statement. If you're writing your own affidavit, simply replace the name and address with your own information. Step 4. The vehicle details, providing specific information. Next, the affidavit lists specific details about the vehicle. Make, Toyota. Model, Camry. Year, 2018. VIN, Vehicle Identification Number. 5TBBT4415X S123456. License plate number, CA8XYZ123. These details are essential because they identify the exact vehicle being claimed. The make and model tell us what kind of car it is. The year gives us the manufacturing year. The VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, is a unique 17-character code assigned to every vehicle. This is one of the most important pieces of information in the affidavit because it ensures no confusion over which car is being referred to. The license plate number is another way to identify the vehicle. If you're writing your own affidavit, make sure to double-check all these details for accuracy. Step 5. The ownership declaration, stating the legal claim. Now comes the most important part. The ownership declaration. I hereby declare that I have full legal ownership of the aforementioned vehicle and that no other individual or entity has any claim to its title. I am providing this affidavit to confirm ownership for registration, title transfer, or other legal purposes. This statement is critical because it clearly asserts that the person writing the affidavit owns the vehicle completely. No one else has a legal claim to it. The affidavit is being provided for an official purpose, like registering the vehicle or transferring the title. If you're writing your own affidavit, you can modify this section based on your specific situation. For example, if you're filing the affidavit because you lost the original title, you could mention that. Step 6. The certification, ensuring truthfulness. After stating ownership, the affidavit includes a truthfulness statement. Furthermore, I certify that the information provided in this affidavit is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I understand that providing false information may result in legal consequences. This is important because it emphasizes that everything in the document is accurate, warns that lying on an affidavit is illegal. This statement is usually required in legal affidavits to prevent false claims. Always be honest when writing this part. Step 7. The Notary section, making it official. Since an affidavit is a legal document, it usually needs to be notarized. The Notary section includes sworn to and subscribed before me on this 3rd day of February 2025. This means the affidavit was officially signed and witnessed on that date. Then we include affiant's signature, signature, affiant's full name, full name. The affiant is the person making the statement, in this case, John A. Peterson. Next, the notary public must sign notary public's signature, notary public's name, commission expiration date, notary seal. A notary public is an official who verifies that the person signing the affidavit is who they claim to be. If you're writing your own affidavit, you'll need to take it to a notary public to get it officially stamped and signed. And that's how you write an affidavit for vehicle ownership. This document might seem a bit complicated at first, but once you break it down, it's actually very straightforward. The key things to remember are: be clear and factual, avoid vague language, include all necessary details, your name, address, vehicle information, and purpose. Make sure the document is notarized. This makes it official. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. See you in the next video. Happy writing!